Okay, let me see if I can explain this a little bit better. Okay, I screwed the die in, turn it down like that. So the instructions say pull the handle down until it meets. So that's too far in, so I got to pull it out, push the handle down, pull it back up. Okay, the handle dropped all the way down. So I'll tighten it down, tighten down the jam nut like that. So it's just touching, and it says go half a turn. So I'll lift the handle up a little bit so the plate comes down, go half a turn. Okay, so I'm at half a turn right there. Now let me put the round in, bring it around. Okay, now it's going to go up inside, and it won't crimp. It won't do anything. It does not engage the crimp down here. Bullet's even loose inside there. So it's not going far enough up in, and yet it's bottomed out between the die right there and the bottom of the plate. No crimp. Let me try it with a different round there. Oops. Okay, so all the way in, bottoms out, no crimp. It doesn't go far enough up inside.